Are you trying to figure out the nutrient loss in your tile drainage system? The nutrient loss calculator can help you understand your nutrient loss and the value of that loss. You will need to know the flow inputs and the nutrient concentration inputs. The flow inputs you will need are the type of pipe, the tile diameter, the slope, and the flow depth. This is a single-walled tile, also called a corrugated pipe. And this is a dual-walled pipe, also called a smooth pipe. If your outlet is PVC, input dual-walled for pipe type. Before collecting the following information, you must lift the rodent guard out of the way for the most accurate reading. The tile drain diameter can be found by recording the distance across the center of the tile line. The tile diameter will typically range from 3 to 12 inches, but could be as wide as 18 inches or more. The slope at the outlet can be found using a level and a ruler. Place a level inside the tile and raise the lower end until the bubble is centered. Then, measure the height of the level to the bottom of the tile using a ruler placed at the end of the level as shown. Using the height, or the rise, and the length of the level, or the run, you can now find the slope using the following equation. Typical ranges for the slope can be as low as 0.5% and as high as 5%. The depth of the water is measured by placing a ruler like so. If the ruler is placed with the wide side forward, the height of the flow will be inaccurate. The nutrient concentration inputs you will need are nutrient concentration, which is in parts per million or milligrams per liter, and cost of nutrients, which is in dollar per pound. Concentration can range from 5 parts per million to 30 parts per million or higher. When taking your sample from the outflow, it is best practice to rinse your bottle with the outflow water 3 times and then collect your sample. The sample should either be analyzed by the lab within 48 hours or it should be frozen for any period longer, as natural chemical and biological processes can occur, changing the concentration. If you do not have a good place to test your water, contact John McMain at the email provided below for more information. You can determine your nutrient cost through your fertilizer supplier. If you cannot find that number, you can use the average cost of urea at 40 cents per pound. As you can see, you will not need to worry about inputting units, so long as they are in the units provided. It should be noted that nutrient loss varies throughout the year as flow and concentration change. The readings taken at one point in time do not paint a full picture, so it is recommended that different readings be taken for those specific points of interest. Thank you for using our nutrient loss calculator. For more information, come check out the rest of the SDSU Extension website and subscribe to get the latest information.